Welcome to the channel. Today we will guide you on how to change your short name on the VK app easily if you want a unique link for your profile that is easy to share with friends. This video will help you do it quickly and correctly. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you are in the Settings section, select Account. Here, you will find the Short Name option. Tap on it and enter your desired short name. Keep in mind that it should be unique, as VK will not allow duplicates. Finally, click the Save icon at the top right corner to confirm your new short name. Now your VK profile has a new short name that is easier to share and remember. Thank you for watching this guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends if you found it helpful.